The era through which nowadays we are passing through, this is the era of smart work. I think so. When we pay attention towards 10, 15 or 20 years back, we see the people maximum pay attention towards the physical works. Now, all the things, all products have been shifted from the physical to smart work or digital work. Today, I'm going to talk about the freelancing. I think so. The ideas which I have been shared over here on this platform to work over these ones for you people. This is very, very smart work, freelancing. If do you have any sort of small skill about anything, you can earn quickly. For example, you have an experience about editing, video editing, you can sell these services on online, right? If do you have a skill of web designing, do you have skill of experience of social media management, do you have a skill of templates making about any project? These are all things which can apply, which can sell, which can be sold on online platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn. These are the platforms on which freelancing can be done easily. So I think so. We should not spend work layerly. We must pay attention towards the work. Thank you.